What's up, guys? Today we're doing this little short video because we were approached with an opportunity that we thought some of you guys might be interested in, and so we thought we would pitch it to you and see what you guys think. A company called TrovaTrip reached out to us and asked if we would be interested in planning a trip to go on with some of our subscribers. And I thought that was kind of a great idea. This is a trip that could be done really anywhere in the world. So TrovaTrip is a company that plans trips all over the world. And we thought it would be kind of fun to see whether or not you guys want to go on a trip with me and Marius. So below this video, we linked a survey that you guys can take to help us gauge if you guys are interested in the trip at all, what you'd like to do while you're on the trip, how much of a budget you have for doing a trip like this. We think that it would be a lot of fun because we really love just engaging with our viewers. We could do like cocktail experiences. I might be able to give a class while we're on this trip. The possibilities are not endless, but they're vast. And we think that this would be a lot of fun. So go below, take the survey, and come on a trip with us.